Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can make your pins go viral totally free. It will cost you no money. Now, the reason why you wish to do this is because Pinterest is a huge search engine, which means you can get highly targeted free traffic, which is really important for affiliate marketing. And like I said, it will cost you no money. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Next thing you need to do, you need to start a blog or a website. Now you can start a blog or a website on WordPress, you can start it on System.io, Builderall or some other platform. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest. So by far, best free alternative is Blogger Blog, to start a Blogger Blog. Blogger is owned by Google, which means this is a trusted platform, and Blogger will give you lifetime free hosting. You don't have to pay anything, and you can even connect your custom domain. Now you can register custom domain on, for example, on Namecheap, and as you can see here, you can register that domain for just a few dollars, for just $3 or $4. Now, best free alternative for Blogger is to actually start publishing your articles on Vocal Media. Vocal Media is exactly the same like Medium.com, but they don't have such strict rules when it comes to affiliate marketing. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to find products to promote. And for that, you can use ClickBank, you can use JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or any other affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm going to use Digistore24. So let's say I'm in keto niche. So what I need to do, I need to scroll here and I need to click here on fitness and health. And here, as you can see, there is lots of keto related products that I can actually promote and make money. So for example, let's just say I wish to promote this product here, keto desserts. As you can see here, I can make €5 per sale on average. Now it is not much, but it is okay. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to write an article. And if you can write that article by yourself, by far that is the best option. But I'm guessing that most of you are not good at writing articles. So you actually have two free alternatives. You have two free options. So option number one is you can go on Google and here in search bar you can simply type keto diet recipes, for example. And here you can see there is lots of people who actually published keto recipes. So for example, let's just say 50 easy keto recipes for dinner, okay? And here, this is how this article looks. So what you need, you actually need to rewrite this article. But I'm guessing that most of you are not good at rewriting articles. So what you can do is you can simply go here and you can simply copy this, Ctrl+C, and you can go on Quillbot. Now, Quillbot is a free rewriting software. Here you need to choose paraphraser, and then here you can choose mode, standard, fluency, formal, simple. I usually choose fluency, and then simply paste that here, click paraphrase, and this bot will automatically paraphrase this article to be 100% unique. And all you have to do is just go back on your blog and publish that article. And option number two is also free, and it is even better. And that option is Writer. And what you can do is you can register for a free account and then choose here language, choose select tone, choose case. I usually leave it as a blog idea outline. And then here you need to add your primary keyword. In this case, it is keto recipe, okay? Choose variations, just one variation, creativity level, optimal. Click here, write for me, and this software will automatically write an article for you that is 100% unique and that you can publish on your blog and use it to promote your affiliate products, just like this one. And you can write as many articles as you want and promote as many products as you want. Not just from Digistore24, you can also promote at the same time on that blog products from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, or some other affiliate network. Okay, so next thing you need to do, you need to make Pinterest pins that can potentially go viral. And for that, you need royalty-free photos and images. And you can find those photos and images on Pexels, on Pixabay, or Unsplash. And because I'm in keto niche, so what I need to do, I simply need to type here keto and then press enter. And here I can see there is lots and lots of royalty-free photos and images. So for example, this photo here, this photo have a potential to go viral. So what I need to do, I need to click here on this image, click here on download, and download this image totally free on my desktop. So now I need to make a pin, and for that you can simply go on Canva, and then here you can search for Pinterest. and here you can choose one of the dimensions. So for example, let's just say this one here. Click on Pinterest pin and Canva will automatically give you, then click here on create a blank pin, and Canva will automatically give you right dimensions for your Pinterest pin, so you don't have to go on Google and search for the right dimensions of Pinterest pin. So you need to now upload that image that you downloaded from Unsplash. You need to upload it here on Canva. Click here on uploads and upload that image. And let me just find, I already uploaded that image. This is the image. Just simply drag that image here. And as you can see, this is how it looks. So now I actually need to add a call to action because I will use this pin to drive traffic to my Blogger post. Okay, so click here on elements and I will actually choose this square one, this square, and I will actually move that here, okay, and make this wider, just like this. And I'm going to actually make the color of this box, so I will make it black, okay. Now it's black, and now I need to click here on text to choose one of these text styles. So let's just say this one here, for example. I will delete this because I don't need it, and here I can say something like this. So let me just make this wider, just like this, okay? And I will make this smaller, and then again wider, like this, okay? And I will actually make the color of this text to be white, okay? And I'm going to move that here, okay? As you can see, 25 easy keto recipes. Now this have potential to go viral because I have an interesting photo and I have call to action. People like numbers, okay? 25. You try to use numbers whenever you can in your call to action. And also easy and recipes, because we are talking about keto. People like to see new recipes for keto, okay? And I'm giving them 25. Okay, so this looks like a good pin. So all I have to do now is just click here on share, click here on download, and download this pin to my desktop. So all you have to do now is just go back on your Pinterest profile and upload this pin on your Pinterest profile. And you need to optimize this pin. You need to add your main keyword, in this case, keto recipes, in the title and also in the description. And because this is an eye-catchy photo and good call to action, people will actually click on this in order to see these 25 easy keto recipes. But you're now wondering, well, how do I actually get viral, right? So what you need to do, you need to copy this link to this pin, okay? Copy, and you need to go on a website called Add Me Fast, and you need to register for a free account. And then here on the left side, you can see free points. You can earn free points by sharing Facebook posts, by following on Facebook, by giving Reddit upvotes, by giving Instagram likes, by giving Twitter retweets, by watching YouTube videos, and so on and so on. In that way you can earn free credits. Now after you earn enough free credits, what you need to do, you need to click here on add, and you need to exchange those credits for whatever you want, in this case for Pinterest pins. So here type, I will choose Pinterest pins, Pinterest saves actually. So let me just find, okay, Pinterest save. Here I need to say title, that is basically my call to action, 25 easy keto recipes. Here Pinterest pin ID, so that is basically a link to my Pinterest pin. Here you can leave it empty, also daily click empty, and here you can choose how many credits you actually wish to give in exchange for every Pinterest save. So you can choose 25, you can choose 20, you can even give them 50 credits. Now with this method, you can get 20, 30, 50, maybe even 100 repins or saves, as they call them now, every day. And because you have an eye-catchy pin, as you can see here, and because you optimized your pin, you add your main keyword in the title, in the description, and for example, just search here, keto recipes, okay, keto recipes. So because you optimized your pin, because you have lots of repins and lots of saves, and because you have a good click-through rate, your pin will end up on the top results here on Pinterest. And because, like I said, Pinterest is a huge search engine, that means you will get most of the traffic, and that is highly targeted free traffic that converts really, really well. And that is why you need to start using Pinterest for affiliate marketing. So this is how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing really, really easy. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.